Hey, good morning. Welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph. Today I'm here with Dion, and this is an exciting Friday just after all the earnings news came in. And so today Dion is going to talk to us about Bitcoin and where he thinks it's heading, and he's also going to give us an exciting trading possibility in THETA versus Bitcoin. Dion, over to you.
Hi Joseph, morning guys. We're starting here on just a quick overview of the weekly of Bitcoin after that great move we had yesterday. So just zooming in again on that weekly support that we've been looking at. We've had now a massive rejection of this bottom zone around about 21,000, which is great for Bitcoin. So we look like we're going to close two weekly green candles, which is great. And then everyone was very concerned about this 200 MA that it looked as if earlier this week we were going to close under it, and it's the longest ever, was the first time actually ever that Bitcoin has been under the 200 MSA since its history. It's like closed under it, but then normally the next week immediately it bounces back over. So this is the longest time we've been under this, and people were worried that we were going to bounce down, but it looks as if we're going to have a healthy close above the 200, and normally from there it's just all the way up. If you just look back, this was in March 2020. We came down and tested it, and we had that massive bounce off that, and this is now the first time since then that we've tested and bounced back. So it looks like good times for Bitcoin are coming. If we just zoom into the 1 day chart, you can see that we've also got strong support lines under us. We've got this daily trend here. We've got the daily trend that we've broken, that that's come down from the top, and then we've got a new daily trend here. So we're like under three strong trend lines now that are supporting us. And we also on the daily, we're above the 50 EMA, which was also great. That normally also doesn't break easily. If you go back just a few weeks here, we tried to break through the 50 here, and again there, and again, and earlier this week again, but now we've broken through. So that's a strong support or resistance to break, which is now strong support for us. So things are really looking up for Bitcoin. We've got this bank liquidity as well above us, that the banks are coming to get their money back. So they want to drive the price back up. So it's looking great. On the 4 hour, we've just marked out these zones earlier this week, so we've got all these strong supports below us, and we were trying to break through this resistance. It looks as if, as we speak, as we might be breaking through, and we're following this little trend line here. So it would be safe to get into a Bitcoin trade now, and these are my targets. Target one would be 24,830, then 25,550, and then 26,635. And I think this could happen fairly quickly. You can see we've got quite a nice momentum there already. So those would be your targets. And if we come back and we break that line, I would exit the trade and just wait to see what happens first. So that's kind of like a important little guide for you in the meantime. Just keep as long as we're above that, you can stay in your trade and go for those targets here. And then the other trade we wanted to look at, get there quickly. I love the THETA coin, so THETA BTC pairing. We've got quite a strong little support here. It looks as if we're busy with a small pullback. And if you just, on the 1 hour chart, you can just have a look on the 1 hour chart. I think we're going to come back to this support here, and the RSI will then either flip on the 50 RSI or maybe a little bit lower. But as soon as we either hit the 50 and bounce, or go below the 50 and come back up again over the 50 RSI, I would enter this trade. And my target would be on the Bitcoin, as we're trading Bitcoin now, it would be 639, and that would be 15. So I think there's a good 10 to 15% trade in here for us. we can also maybe just quickly look back at our S&X that we started earlier this week. We got in here and our target was round about here, so that was a 10% trade. So I think we gave this on Wednesday or Thursday, Joseph, so that trade in the meantime has hit, and then this is the next one we're looking at, is the THETA trade, and that's it from me, Joseph.
Awesome. Yeah, if you see on that SNX chart, it looks like there's even a next buy possibility there, because it also made another pullback again after this strong rally upwards. Yeah, this is exciting. You know, once Bitcoin breaks through that hard support, you can actually just buy any coin and leave it for 3 months, and you're almost guaranteed to make money. So I think people are smiling today. Some people are already thinking, what's the next car they're gonna buy? So people are very excited about this move in this last 2 days. So guys, that's all for us for today. I'm gonna be back in an hour, and I got 3 coins I want to trade. It's the R-Weave, the Cocos coin, and also the Harmony coin. So I'll show you a little bit of DCA trading. I also want to talk about why did the market move as it moved. So look forward to see you. Dion, thank you. Great analysis. Good times.
See you later.